Today we are making homemade yogurt called Raib with a wonderful texture and a special Moroccan flavor. Pour the milk in a saucepan and add the zest of an orange. Place the saucepan over medium heat and bring the milk to a boiling point. Then remove it from the heat. In a large bowl, place the yogurt, sugar, the rest of the milk, and my secret flavor, orange blossom water. Combine all the ingredients together. Strain the hot orange flavored milk and add it to the yogurt mix. Whisk well. Heat the oven to 200 Celsius degrees, 390 Fahrenheit degrees. Then, when ready, turn it off. Pour the milk mixture into glass jars and place them in the oven overnight. 9 hours for soft raib and 15 hours for denser texture. The next day, after the raib has set, place the jars in the fridge for at least 3 hours before serving. Check this out. Soft, creamy, and just perfect. I love it. Bon appétit!